This is Nubia Neo 2, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. So in the beginning, make sure that your system is not in the Do Not Disturb or airplane mode, since both those modes prevent you from, well, being able to receive any incoming phone calls. So the easiest way to check and confirm that is to open the control panel by swiping downwards from the right half of your status bar, and here switch off the airplane mode and Do Not Disturb mode icons. Now, if that wasn't the case, you may want to try switching off the phone call enhancement features such as VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling. So in order to do that, you will need to launch the settings on your phone, then go into the mobile network category, and here open the mobile data preferences. Now scroll down and switch off the VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling features. And if that didn't help either, I recommend that you contact or refer to your carrier or mobile network provider to see if the issue is laying on their end rather than yours. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.